we're out here today getting something for the new property. Check it out. Old van box. Put some doors on it. Paint it up nice. Store the motorcycles and make a nice little motorcycle shop. And we're having fun getting it pulled out. And we gotta get it onto the big trailer yet. Alright, it's coming out. This actually has the truck frame still attached to it. So here's what the inside of the box looks like. Finger tipped. Alright, this is where we're at. Let's see how this crazy thing goes. And here it goes. Looks like it's going on pretty good so far.
Yeah.
Yep.
Good. Can you
Yep.
move that piece of wood right there?
Yep, sure can.
Thank you.
Yep.
Are we going pretty straight on?
Yeah, I think you're looking great. Alright, so we're gonna use the pieces of wood, hopefully as skis.
Walk some.
It's working. We're gonna have to come over.
You want the ramps to come down?
Alright, we got it up on there. Thanks to this guy. His little awesome. We're gonna get straps. We're gonna go up and over. We are loaded up. Got 5 big straps on that thing. And then 1 going forward. We just gotta get through this gate. That looks like it's solid. Good deal. That'll look good for motorcycles. Well, there it is.